my name is Clement. Welcome back to another episode of Filipino. Today we'll be making a classic Filipino dessert, Maja Mais, or in English, corn pudding. The ingredients you guys need will be coconut milk, cornstarch, whole can of corn, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. And we're gonna toast some coconut flakes for the garnish. Okay, let's start cooking. So first things first, we need to toast up our coconut flakes. Or if you guys have a small toaster oven, we can start toasting. If you don't have, we can use an oven. But today we'll be using a toaster oven. So we need about 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. And the toaster oven tray. So, spread the coconut flakes evenly. And let's put it in the toaster oven. So, we'll need 2 cans of coconut milk, but make sure you shake it before opening it. Pour it in your wok. You will need 1 can of condensed milk. Okay, 1 can of condensed milk. And you'll need about 1 or 1.5 cup of sugar. Depends on how sweetness you want it to be. Let's start the stove with a medium heat. Stir the mixture until it simmers. While simmering, we'll put the corn. Stir gently. So this is our 1 can of evaporated milk and 1/2 of cornstarch. Mix it well. When it starts to simmer, put the evaporated milk and the cornstarch mixture into the coconut mixture. Keep mixing for about 8 to 10 minutes until the consistency becomes thick or sticky. When the coconut is nice and thick, it's ready to be molded. So we're gonna transfer the maja into our mold. When everything is finished, just put it in the fridge and let it cool off for about an hour, and then we can start eating. Let's cut it up and have a taste. And remember our toasted coconut, sprinkle it on top. And let's have a taste. The maja is like creamy, sweet, combined with the toasted coconut, crunchy. It makes it taste so good. Very good. If you guys like my video today, click on the like button in the bottom and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, bye!